This one's dedicated to the late actress and the face of Hermes. Everyone, this is Jane Birkin.
She left the world by natural causes back in the 16th of July, 2023. But as all legends should be, her name lives on with the Birkin bag. It was one evening flight from Paris to London that started it all. Jane and artistic director of Hermes, Jean-Louis Dumas, had a chance meeting on board. As she placed her straw bag in the overhead compartment, all the contents spilled in front of Dumas. He then assisted her as she scrambled to collect her things. With that, he jokingly added that Jane needed a handbag with some proper set of pockets. The actress then replied that the day Hermes made a large everyday bag that could hold all the items a busy mother carried, she would give up her signature oversized basket in its favor. With the artistic director of Hermes living up to his passion and profession, Dumas drew the very first sketches of the future Birkin bag on the spot while on the plane. A year later, in 1984, the first Birkin bag was released. Today, the Birkin bag still holds true to its rich origin of friendship and fame as one of the late actresses and Hermes' greatest contribution to the world of fashion.